What's up guys, Dennis Black is here and today we are testing DJI MAVIC Air. Okay, Erwin, your first impressions, you're one of the first customers who got this drone. Your first impressions about it?
Oh man, I love it. I've got the Spark now and I thought that was nice and portable, but this is just crazy.
Man, it's ridiculously small. So we've got here DJI MAVIC PRO, which is old version of MAVIC. And here the new one, DJI MAVIC Air. Check out the sizes, how small it is. It's like double size smaller than a previous version.
This is my Samsung S8.
Man,
so you can see
this.
It's about the same size.
Oh my god.
Folded, it is tiny.
That's crazy. What features do you like in this drone?
For me, I'm big on portability, so if I'm traveling I want to be able to just pack it into my backpack and not take up too much space, and I think the MAVIC does that.
So now we are gonna fly these two drones and compare all of the features and the quality of the image. So let's fly. Alright guys, so now we are checking the feature called Boomerang at MAVIC Air and the other one called
Asteroid.
Let's check it out.
Alright, let's go.
I need to... Woohoo! You made it!